Friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to pair ptron smartwatch on vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here first of all you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, you are going to find here is the Bluetooth and devices. Just click on Bluetooth and devices. When you click on Bluetooth and devices, you have to turn on this Bluetooth. After you have been turned on, just click on this Bluetooth. After you have been click on it, just click on this pair new devices. Okay, if you want to pair, just click on pair new devices. After clicking on pair new devices, just click on this ptron watch. Okay, click on ptron watch. After that, here right now it will be paired successfully. You can pair the ptron watch through mobile phone like this. Okay, just click on ptron watch and pair option. It will be pairing right now. Okay, you have to wait for a moment. It's little bit slow, so let's check it if whether it's pairing or not. It's now is pairing. Okay, it has not been paired, but it's pairing right now. Okay, you have to wait it for a moment. My one, it's very slow because there was some problem with my net. The net was problem. See, this is the ptron watch and it's not pair. Again you have to click. If it doesn't pair, here is the pair option. Now this watch will be paired successfully through mobile phone. We just need to click on this pair option. Here it has been paired. You can pair it like this. Okay, so friends, I hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.